In today's video, we're checking out the EVBASE white leather Nappa seat cushion with memory foam support. If you're driving long road trips or you're doing Uber and you're in your car all the time, these front seats just aren't that comfortable. And so I had EVBASE send out one of these for me to take a look at. I've had this in my car for a couple days and it's super comfortable. I really like this leg supports just before your knee. They have these little clips here. They kind of stick in to where the seat cushions are, between the front, the top and the bottom seat. And you can adjust them by just tightening these by wrapping another thing. So I've actually tightened it up a little bit. And so this is how it normally comes, like this. What I've done is I just go ahead and wrap it one more time so it's tighter, so that pulls this in tighter. And then the front piece clips underneath the seat and it fits really nice. What I like about it is in my seat here, there's just some more padding right here. So this part's padded and it makes you sit a little bit more comfortable between the supports here. And it is perforated, so it does allow for ventilation. So I've got the heated and cooling seats. It's cold right now, it's in the winter, so I do know that the heated part does work. The underneath part looks like this. So it's and it matches the decor. Like if you look at this, it looks just like the seat that's in there. Again, it's Nappa leather, perforated just like the seats are, and it does have this foam rest here. Let's go ahead, let's quickly install it. It doesn't take much. This is from EVBASE. I've got a link down in the description. Use my discount code BC Tesla Guy. You'll love this. I'm going to get another one for the passenger seat so it matches, so both seats look the same. So this is what the seat looks like before I do the install. Again, we're going to tuck it in underneath here, and you can see that even this seat here, it's just got the vegan leather just on the top part, and we tuck it underneath here, and then we push those rings back here and they hook in. And so let's go ahead and do the install. It's pretty straightforward. Okay, so the first step is we're going to push this piece in underneath here. And these things, what they do is they go between the two seat cushions, and in the end they're going to be stuck like that. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take this, and I prefer to push them in like this, up, and then it sticks. So you can do any one of the three, it doesn't really matter. So let's go ahead. So there it is, that's the first one. There's two. There we go. You want this to go all the way in as far as it possibly can, like that. And then you're going to tuck these little pieces in along the side. So now that we've got this piece all tucked in, we just need to tuck this underneath here. So you just pull that out. And so it looks more natural because it's all leather here. And then these straps here just go underneath. So this is how it sits. There's my knee right here. On the old seats, you wouldn't have any of this support right here. So it's really nice. Fits good. So it looks pretty good here. And what I like is it adds more padding here, so it's a softer ride. And this support here, like for long rides, really helps a lot. So there's the other seat over there. And then this is this one. You can see there is a bit of a difference, but pretty well matches. The comfort is just amazing. So if you're interested in these seats, I've got a link down in the description. Use my discount code BC Tesla Guy. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.